Today our topic is pattern recognition and classification by using NNSTART tool in MATLAB. There are some steps involved in this task. They are: first we have to collect the data, and after collecting the data we have to process the data, and after processing the data we have to initialize the NNSTART tool in MATLAB. So now we get some GUI tool. In this we have to load our data samples. After loading the data samples, we have to segregate these data samples. So the segregation is done like we have to take some samples for the training and some samples for the testing and some sample for the validating. Now we have to choose the number of hidden neurons. After choosing the number of hidden neurons, we have to train the data samples. After training the data samples, we get the required classification, and this problem is the performance can be evaluated by the confusion matrix. Here you can see right hand side in the there are some samples of different types of patients, different number of patients with different conditions. We have to tell whether the patient have diabetic or not. So patient 1 have blood sugar level of 120 and the BP level of blood pressure value of 140. So he is obviously diabetic, yes. Similarly, the second patient have blood sugar level of 65 and the BP of 120. So he is not a diabetic. The third patient have blood sugar value of 240 and the BP is 160. And yes, he is diabetic. The patient 4 has 79 blood sugar and 123 value of blood pressure, and he is not a diabetic. So this blood sugar value and blood pressure value are treated as inputs to our classification problem. So we have two inputs, one input is blood sugar and another input is BP, and our target is whether the patient is diabetic or not. If the patient is diabetic, then yes, and it is treated as 1. And if the patient is diabetic, he is not a diabetic, then it is treated as 0. Now we collect the data, and I saved all the data in an Excel sheet with the data set. So here I have taken two attributes. One is blood sugar and another is blood pressure, and whether the patient is diabetic or not. If he is yes, I took as 1, and if he is not a diabetic, is 0. So if the patient has 120 and 140, it is 1, and if he has 70 and 120 is 0. So there are total 8 patients are diabetic here, and 8 patients are non-diabetic. Now we have to segregate this data into inputs and targets. So now I have copied all the patient attributes as in input file. So I collected all the data input file, and I have the patient whether it is diabetic or not I collected as targets. Type NNSTART in command window and enter it. Now we get a toolbar, neural network start. Here we have different options like fitting app, pattern recognition app, clustering app, time series app. Now choose pattern recognition app. So now we get a pattern recognition app here and click next. So now we have option to select our data. So now input data we have saved it in Excel sheet that input.xlsx. So now load the data. So we got different attributes like blood sugar and blood pressure values here. So now make it finish here, and now load the targets whether the patient is diabetic or not. Target.xlsx file, tar target file, and choose the target file and load the target file here. So we have 11001 like that. Next, finish. So it is in the form of matrix form. So choose samples are in matrix forms. So now go to next. So here we can give different samples. So we have 16 samples. In that 12 samples are training, 2 are validation, 2 for testing. Now next. So now choose the number of neurons here. Let it be 10. We can see input 10 and hidden layers are 10 and output layer is 1. And our output is 1. So next. So now here left hand side you can see train. Click on it. So the circuit, the now it problem is trained here. So now plot the confusion matrix for the performance evaluation. So there are 31 iterations that happened here. Now we have to check for the performance of the classification. So plot confusion matrix. So you can see here 8 samples are classified as 0 means non-diabetic and 8 classified as diabetic. So what is the accuracy, overall accuracy of the classification matrix is 100%. So we have given 16 inputs, 8 are diabetic and 8 are non-diabetic. It is 100% classified.